Hey, good morning. I just turned on my computer and realized that because Bitcoin was down overnight, MicroStrategy is also down overnight. Well, not overnight, but this morning. And so it's down, I don't know, about $17, $18 right now. And so I thought I'd use this as an opportunity to show you what I do when the market is down, because not all markets go up, and I'm not always going to be in a profit on every trade. And, you know, that's life, man. I wish I were more perfect, but I'm not. My crystal ball doesn't always work. So I have to play the market the way I play them. The difference is I have the probabilities on my side because I get to collect the juice. And so if you've been watching this MicroStrategy series, you know that it's all about the juice for me. So let's take a look over here what I've done. I sold 7 calls of the 330s, and I got 20.45 for those. So that's what, $15,000, $16,000 trade when you do the math. And then I also bought one more contract when MicroStrategy was down. And so now I've got 8 contracts and I've got 7 sold against them. I call that an asymmetric position. So what I want to do is, since the stock is down $19 here, right, I want to take advantage of that opportunity. So what I want to do is I want to take this delta, which is a 0.8, which means the stock moves $10, MicroStrategy moves $8. So I want to kind of get that a little more true to what the stock is actually doing. So I'm going to roll these down. I'm pretty good with it going out to June. I could consider going out to September, but I'm good with June. You know, I think I have, 6.5 months left on this trade, 179 days. I'm pretty good that over the next 6 months, I'm going to be able to make, $10,000, $15,000 a week against this position. And obviously we hope it goes up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to move this to a rolling order. So I'm going to roll it to another position. Okay, so we see these June 250s are trading right now for about $147. So that's just good to know as you go in and you do your, you pull up your comparison, because I want to move that a little bit deeper so that I can raise this delta. So I'm going to go down here to my June, see it says position there, and I see that I have the 250s, right? These are the 250s and they're trading for around 147. I'm going to move those down so that my delta is higher. Now, I could move those down to the 200s. I like round numbers, so a nice 87 delta would be good, but I kind of like a 90 delta as well. Now, how much would I have to pay for that? Well, those are $191, and the 200s are 175. So, there's no free lunch in the market, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these 90 deltas. So I'm going to go ahead and come down here. The 90 deltas are the 175, so I'm going to go, well, I'm going to sell the June 250s and I'm going to buy the 175s right there for the same expiration date, because I'm not really worried about the time issue on this. I still have 6 months left, plenty of time for me to sell against it, and that's what I'm going to do. Hit market, confirm and send, and there I have the fill. Now, after you get a fill, you always want to go back and check your account. And so I'm checking my account, and I see that now I have 8 contracts with 179 days, and these are the 175 calls. And I have no more of these 250 calls. So I was able to move that down, and now I have a higher delta. And so now if it goes up, I'm going to be moving in lockstep with it. And as it went down before, it didn't go down quite as much because I have a 0.8 delta. So I kind of got the best of both worlds. Never anything perfect and easy in the market, but I thought maybe you'd like to see this because it's instructional and it gives me a stronger base position. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, Mark Yagi here. Ready to transform your financial future? Well, I'm inviting you to my special live income accelerator. It's your ultimate 4-week live training designed to supercharge your income. This live training runs 4 Wednesdays in a row starting on January 15th. Not only will you get actionable strategies for how to create income using covered calls, but you'll also receive my fast launch trading course and exclusive mentorship from me throughout the 4 weeks. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, this training is designed to fit your needs. And because I like to keep my groups small, you'll get personalized attention. Join today and get an early start on the course so that you can hit the ground running when we begin. And grab some extra bonuses before the class even starts. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Your financial future is just a click away. See you in the Income Accelerator. Visit the link to join now. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.